Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I finished my latest diamond painting. Look at that. I'm trying to let y'all see the shimmer. You can't see it, but it's on here. And it's matching my shirt, y'all. Anyway, I'm getting ready to prepare this for my portfolio. And by that I mean I'm going to first wipe it off with a damp towel. Then I'm going to seal it. No, I'm not. I'm going to wipe it off, because you know wax be getting on these drills. Then I'm going to roll it. Then I'm going to seal it. And then I'm going to cut the whole border off, because I don't save any of that. So I'm going to angle this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Let me see. Okay. These are just some wipes. I cut in fours because I don't need the whole thing. Got these from Amazon. Facial towels. Something like what I use for my face. Okay, I'm just taking this. It's already damp. It ain't dripping wet. I see one bead. Probably should have rolled it first. So I've been diamond painting for 1 month now. And I love it. These things really dirty. Wow. Glad I didn't seal no dirt up in here. That wax residue that's on top of it. Uh-oh, there's another bead. It's the light blue ones. Okay. Alright. Let that dry a minute. Then roll it. So 2 beads came off. Okay. But look at that. Ain't that gorgeous? Those black swans. Are they swans? I guess they swans. And the water and the flowers. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna roll this. I'm gonna put this on it and roll it. In case any more beads want to pop off, just gonna be on it. Got this roller. I'm gonna hold it in place. Oh, I like that sound. It's a satisfying sound, hearing these beads pop in place. Turn it around so I can roll it the other way. It's still popping in place. This way. This they all rolled good. Let's see. So I don't hear no more popping sounds. Sometimes the beads be stacked all on top of each other and lopsided, and you don't realize it. found me a whole big tray of parchment paper in my cabinet. The big sheets of parchment paper that I can use on top of here instead of using this plastic. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to use this stuff I got from Amazon. Let me see which one I've been using. This one. I'll put the link in my description box. So what you do is squeeze some out. I'll start here. Y'all see that? And then it has a sponge applicator top. And I'm gonna let this, what you call it, cure. They say let it cure for at least a half an hour. I got the fan going over there. Here's another bead. Even though these are going in the portfolio, I still like to seal them. Don't even know if it's necessary, but it's so easy. Why not? And I'll leave the border on until this dries. And I'll cut it off. I just use regular shears. And this does not dull the finish at all. I just wish y'all could see the sparkle on camera like I see it in real life. Look at that. Looks like somebody else did this. It's so good. I'm patting myself all on the back, y'all. This is gorgeous. So I'm gonna let this cure, and in the meanwhile, I'm gonna let y'all see what I'll be doing next. Let me go get it. Now this ain't gonna fit in no album I have. It's big. This is the fuchsia hummingbirds. One of my honeys blessed me with 3 Diamond Art Club diamond paintings. That's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Colorful. Hummingbirds. And yes, I still like my Amazon diamond paintings, but I was oohing and eyeing so about the quality of Diamond Art Club products. But yes, I like my Amazon stuff too. Of course I do. And I'm able to get more Amazon paintings than I am Diamond Art Club, even though the quality is much better. This was in a set of, how many? 6, set of 6 for under $20. And look at that. You can kind of see some of the shimmer. think this is the favorite one I've done so far. I love this. So I'm gonna be busy kitting up for this one. This got 54 colors. This ain't the square one, is it? I don't think it is. I can't read nothing on here. Okay. So what else I got to do? And this time when I diamond paint for this one, I'm going to put the drills in trays, individual trays. I'm going to kit up, okay? Then I'm going to pour them in trays. I just bought a tray organizer. And I think this came with a set of 30, maybe 32 little trays with the funnel. And so I put it together this morning in preparation for this Diamond Art Club painting. So I ordered the thing yesterday, and it came early this morning. Okay, so thumbnail for this, and I don't think y'all need to see me cut the border, unless I'll come back later and finish this video. But now, y'all seen me cut the border before, and you seen me put it in the portfolio. So this is the portfolio it's going in. Got a bunch. And like I said, I just started 1 month ago. So I got so many done. So it will go behind right here. Okay. So I'm gonna have to find me a bigger portfolio. Oh, let me let y'all go. Okay. Oh, and I just found out from the person who blessed me with these Diamond Art Club diamond paintings that this picture here, it has sticky tabs that you can put on your, when you kit up, it has sticky tabs that you can put for each color on the bottle or the bags or whatever. I didn't know. I had nowhere knowing. So they come off, and I can stick it on either the bottle or the little baggie that comes with them. They got little Ziploc bags, y'all. Ain't never seen nothing so tiny in my life. Cute little bags. I'm just too through. Okay, I had them a second ago, but they walked away. And look at this pen I found at Dollar Tree. I had the other ones. They were bigger. Now this is a skinny one. Cute. Alright. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a nice comment. Y'all get old as I am, then y'all gonna forget some stuff too. Leave me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. Y'all know how old I am? Take a guess. I got a birthday coming up next month, God willing. Okay? I'm grateful. I am so grateful. The Lord kept me around all this time to see all my babies and my babies' babies and my babies' babies' babies. I got great grandbabies. And I thank the Lord. He's good. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.